Doors are closing.
Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Alex's Automatic Subway. So this is line 1. We depart from Greenwood. Alright, we're now here at Menax Street. Wonder why Alex did this? It's because I recorded AT2. I forgot the full
Doors
form.
are closing.
Yeah. Alright, the next stop is Main Square. Alright, we're now here. Look, that's the statue of Mistin. Right over there. The Great Mistin statue.
Doors are closing.
Anyways. Whoa, I lagged. Anyways, our next stop is Greentown. Here we are. Also, fun fact, this is one of the 2 lines to be added during release. The other is line 2.
Doors are closing.
Just please don't hold me at gunpoint for so many fun facts. Anyways, now our next stop is our destination, Park North. Also, fun fact, there is a freeway. This way leads to a freeway. Anyways, so for now, bye guys.